11th class we are continuing hydrogen. So today first we will talk about water. Water is a universal solvent which is present in our earth in 79%. 3/4 of our earth is considering as a water and the rest of the portion is a earth surface portion. Now the water is divided itself into two parts. First is the soft water and other is the hard water. Soft water are those water which are capable to form fourth with soap very easily or in a more amount. Soft water are those water which are capable to form fourth with soap in a large amount or very quickly. But hard water are those water which do not form fourth very easily with soap or in the less amount they form fourth. Okay, they may form fourth but in a less amount. So that is difference between hard and soft water. Now we are dividing hard water into two portions. First is the unstable hard water, second is the stable hard water. Unstable hard water, unstable hardness of water is developing because of the bicarbonate of calcium and magnesium. Whenever the bicarbonate of magnesium and calcium means magnesium bicarbonate and calcium bicarbonate will present in water, such type of water is considered as an unstable hardness of water. An unstable hard water. They can be purified by heating or by vaporizing. By the vaporization, this calcium and magnesium bicarbonate will remove from water and water will be converted into the soft water. Second is the stable hardness. Stable hardness is due to calcium sulfate and magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride and magnesium chloride. Unstable hard water because of the bicarbonates, but stable hardness because of the calcium sulfate and magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride and magnesium chloride. So what you will do, you cannot remove by heating and some other process. You need some ion exchange method or raising method. Through those methods you can replace unstable hardness from water and convert it into the soft water. Okay, but you need some more and other type of method to remove the hardness of water and to convert them into soft water. So this is all about water. You have to make short notes on what is water, write their characteristic, then what is soft water, what is hard water, how many types of hard water is there, what is the cause of hardness of water. If it is unstable, what will be the cause? If it is stable, what will be the cause? And some reasoning question is there that you have to solve. Now we are coming in ortho and parahydrogen. Another topic in hydrogen, that is ortho and parahydrogen. When the rotation of nucleus of two hydrogen atom or one hydrogen molecule are on the same side, when the rotation of nucleus of hydrogen molecule are on the same side, consider as a orthohydrogen. But when the rotation of nucleus are in opposite side in hydrogen molecule, that is considered as a parahydrogen. Clear? When the rotation of hydrogen molecule are in the same side, that is considered as a orthohydrogen. If the rotation is on opposite side, we will consider as a parahydrogen. Ortho and parahydrogen are chemically same. There is no difference in chemically. Total resemblance are there in case of chemical properties, but they are differ in physical property in case of their internal energy. Internal energy of ortho and parahydrogen is little bit different. Now we should consider that in absolute 0 degree temperature, the hydrogen itself representing it in para form. If it is pure absolute 0 degree temperature, hydrogen will always show its para form. As the temperature increases, ortho form will increase and para form will decrease. So in our earth, the ratio of ortho and para form is 75 to 25. 75% will be ortho hydrogen, 25% will be parahydrogen. This question come in 3 marks question. You have to write the whole theory and make the diagram. But one important thing is there. Whenever the students are making diagram, they keep gap in between these two sphere. Do not make any distance or any space in between these two spherical. Both the spherical will attach with each other. Then and then it will be right, otherwise it will be wrong. Clear? So make a proper notes on water and their physical property also, and on ortho and para hydrogen.